Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to subscript and superscript in Google Docs. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google Docs. Now you can see here is two text over here. Now I'll superscript this first one and I will subscript to this second one. Now to superscript, select the text you want to superscript and go to this format. And over here to text, over here you'll find this superscript. Click on this and you can see our text is superscripted over here. Also, we can use shortcut as Control plus full stop. After typing Control plus full stop, superscript and cancel. Superscript and cancel. Now, similar goes for subscript. Select the text, go to Format, Text, and you will find here subscript. You can see our text is subscripted. Also, here is shortcut for this Control plus comma. And you can subscript and cancel the subscript. You can do the both over here. So in this way, we can subscript and superscript in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.